Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Negron and I'm back again to show you how to turn in assignments on Google Classroom. So right now what we're looking at is we are looking at my daughter Isabella's view of Google Classroom. And she has a May 4th check-in that she did not turn in. So the first thing you're going to see is when you go to Google Classroom, you're going to see that you land on your stream. Now, your stream is where any announcements, any assignments, any postings that your teacher does will show up. Sometimes your streams might be cluttered with full-page classwork announcements or just announcements in general. Sometimes your teachers might have the setting set where only the announcements will show up. And sometimes you might see a condensed version, which means that it's a little bit shorter of a combination of your announcements and your classwork. So what you need to do is you need to start off by going to your classwork tab. Once you're there, you're going to find your assignment that you are missing. And you can see that my daughter is missing her May 4th check-in. Now, just because she completes the check-in does not mean that she has turned it in. You have to actually click the Turn In button in order for your assignment to be considered complete. So she would have to click on View Assignment, or she could click on the actual title of the assignment. So I'm going to click on View Assignment, and you can see that she has a May 4th check-in. When she filled it out, she would have clicked Submit for that form to be sent off to her teacher. However, if her teacher goes through the Google Classroom and is checking off who has turned it in and who has not, she would be marked as having missed the assignment because she didn't do one simple thing. And that simple thing is making sure that she marks her assignment as done or as turned in. So when it comes to an assignment with a Google form, you want to make sure that you come over to your right-hand side, and where it says your work missing, you want to click Mark as Done. When you click Mark as Done, you're going to get a pop-up that says Mark as Done. You didn't attach work for May 4th check-in, so your teacher will just see it's done. That is okay because your work is already attached in the form of the Google form. So you're going to click Mark as Done, and what you will now see is that it will say Turned in Late if you've missed the deadline, or if you turned it in before your deadline, you will see Turned In. You will also see that you have a button that says Unsubmit. This is in the case of if you messed up something and you need to fix it, you can unsubmit it and readjust that error and then turn it back in. But you need to make sure that you hit that Turn In button. You also want to check if you have other assignments, because if you do, you will have a different button sometimes for those assignments. For example, this assignment with packets 1 through 3, she has an actual Turn In button. So if she completed the assignments, but she didn't click Turn In, then she needs to make sure that she comes back and clicks Turn In so that her assignments are released to her teacher, so her teacher is able to grade them. I hope that explains how you turn in your Google Classroom assignments, and that helps you in making sure that your assignments get turned into your teacher so that you don't get them marked as missing. Don't forget to follow us on #TeamBCSD Learning Channel. I hope that you've learned a little bit from this tutorial and that you have a great day.